In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Pay on Apple Watch Ultra 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. A standout feature of all models of Apple Watch is the fact that you can use Apple Pay with only the watch. This must be done by setting up a card through your iPhone, and after the card has been set up, you will be able to use Apple Pay exclusively with your Apple Watch. So to start, open the Watch application. Scroll down and go over to the Wallet and Apple Pay category. Make sure that it is enabled, and now you will need to add payment cards into the Apple Watch. So as you can see, the first category are payment cards on your watch. So to start, first, add a card. If you already have cards appearing here at the bottom or at the top, then you are good to go and you can skip ahead in the video. Alternatively, they must be added. So you will input all of the details like the full name, card number, expiration date, and security code. And after the card has been verified and added into the Apple Watch, to actually use the Apple Pay features, first double tap on the side button and you will see this screen. Hold near reader, including Apple Pay. You can swipe up and down if you have multiple cards. So select the card, and the card that is in the middle here, highlighted, will be used to issue this payment. Afterwards, you just have to place your Apple Watch in close proximity of the card reader. It is going to issue the payment with the card that you selected after double tapping the button on the side. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.